summertime at Stanford, and life on the claw is bumping. I just went to the post office and we have mail. It's really cool to get to look inside the whole college experience, especially at a place as awesome as Stanford. All of us DRs appreciate you sharing your life with us, and I hope you continue to do so for the rest of college and beyond. I'm curious, what's your favorite thing about your major? The way that it brings together the sciences and the humanities. The STS major, Science, Technology, and Society, which literally looks at how to bridge science and technology with society and the humanities and social sciences. Thanks again. You rock.
Le bal est bientôt se terminer. L'Estral jouait le dernier morceau. Le bal est bientôt se terminer. L'Estral jouait le dernier morceau. Le bal.
All right. What are we looking at here?
We went to the sunflowers by the tennis courts and just like took these ridiculous photos. But wait, the best ones.
Oh my god.
Kind of at the end. So it started with this flower child thing, and then it just like came on to be like a pool.
Oh my god.
He's so into it too. Wait, go back to the let's do this photo. Did he just took all of his clothes off?
Well, originally it was supposed to be a sunflower head, and then we couldn't get
But
it
his
off.
too big.
Anyway, yeah.
Wait, his penis?
No.
Oh.
The flowers.
Oh. Sharon, if people want to see more of their work, more of your work, where should they go?
SharonLee.weebly.com.
Should I get whoever's walking in on camera?
Yeah.
That's why that bike seat up there.
Blitzed. Blitzed. Super blitzed. If you guys don't want your faces on the internet, tell me and I'll blur it out.
My cancer, I'm done.
Oh god, it's so hot. So I'm borrowing Chris's car for the summer, and I have my own set of keys that I use. If you don't have the fob attached to your key, dude, why the f are you honking at me, bro? No way is he holding up his middle finger at me. No, he's not. He's holding it up at that other guy. Woo! I just got really defensive. Okay. Football players. What do you have? Shit.
L'Estral jouait le dernier morceau. Le bal est bientôt se terminer. L'Estral jouait le ou bien rester. Le bal est bientôt se terminer. L'Estral jouait le dernier morceau.
I feel so green. The sun looks great behind you. Can you hear me? No, he can't hear me. Hi. You didn't hear what I said, did you?
No, I have no idea.
I said the sun looks nice behind you.
Oh!
You were coming through the sun? It was all nice looking.
Yeah, I try to make all of my entrances picturesque, so, you know.
How does work?
It was good. It was pretty chill. I don't have work tomorrow. Just game on.
I know, I don't have a car tomorrow. Pick me up.
Oh my gosh, can I meet him?
No, never.